All right. Let's go, puppies. Let's go, puppies. Quill, 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 come here. Come here. Come on. Oh, I think we got the one. Come on, little dog. Nitro. Hi, Noelle. I think Noelle's following me more than the kids.
Come on, puppies. Come on, puppies. Hello.
Oh, you got a sax coming.
Give me your sax. Hi. Hi, Nitro. You guys are not photogenic at all.
No, they are not. Behind the window. Mom. She's like, I don't like this.
Hi, Nitro. Okay. Sit, Birdie. Sit, Dot. Dot. Come on, Dot. Sit. Sit, Dot. Nope, not listening.
The dog's getting beat up by her big bro. I would be ticked off too if I bit your pee-pee. Oh, you brats. Here, look. It's saxophone. Ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Alright, you come here. Oh, the Nitro boy.
I like his ears
I know,
forward.
right?
Yeah. Okay.
And last but not least, the Donneroonies. Hi. What's going on? I'm not mean. What are you talking about? I don't bite.
Hi, Dot. Okay, let me get a close-up of the other one. Yeah.
How about you?
I like their ears. That's good.
And
Nitro.
Nitro.
Hi, Dot. Hi, Dot.
Nitro. Nitro.
I got blue gloves on because I was about to do the dishes.
Nitro.
Look at, she got sit.
Yep.
Look at her, she's like.
And we just lost a puppy.
Oh, that's okay. We'll get them. Oh,
Nitro.
good girl. Good girl. No. All right.